Today we're going to talk about the Upsala Hat, which is June's bulky hat of the month. And I'm going to show you how to do this really pretty dandelion stitch. So we're going to go over the steps to make that. So on plain stockinette, it'll tell you when to start the stitch. So you're going to work to the point where they tell you to start. And then you're going to count 3 rounds down from the second stitch on the left-hand needle, okay? So that would be not this first stitch, but the second stitch on the needle, and you're gonna count 3 rounds down. So the one on the needle is 1, the one below it is 2, and the one below that is the 3rd. So you're going to insert your right-hand needle into that stitch, so right in the center, and you're going to knit through it, okay? And then you're gonna knit 2 stitches regularly. Then you're gonna do the same thing, but in the same stitch that we did the first time. So you kind of have to go backward a little bit. It's a little awkward. You're gonna pull a long stitch through that one as well. Okay, that's what it looks like. Then you're gonna knit 2 more stitches like normal. Okay, and then you're gonna do this 1 more time. So the last time you do it is a little tight. Okay, there we go. And you want these stitches to be long enough that they're not, you want them to be long enough that they're laying flat. So it's going to be kind of an elongated stitch like that. Okay, so I'm going to do that every spot that it tells me to, and I'm going to come back and do the next round. All right, so I'm back to knit the second round. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to knit these elongated stitches as though it's just a normal stitch, and the 2 knit stitches that I did in between, I'm going to knit them together so that at the end of the row I'll still have the same number of stitches that I started with. Okay. So when I come to this elongated stitch, you can see it there, it looks kind of funny. I'm just gonna knit that, okay? And then the 2 that I knit normally the first round, I'm gonna knit those together like that, okay? There's the second elongated stitch. I'm gonna knit that one normally. And then these 2 that I knit normally the first time, I'm going to knit those together. Okay, and then there's the last elongated stitch. And then the 2 after it, you're going to knit together. And then that last stitch was just not part of it. So there you go. It'll look like this, and then once you do 1 more round, you'll really see the flowers showing up.